このビデオでは助詞にについて説明します。In this video, I will explain to you the usage of particle ni. Ni as a particle is used to indicate a specific time at which an activity takes place. The sentence pattern would be as follows. Noun, that is time, followed by the particle ni, and then comes the verb. So if this verb is indicating some activity, the time at which this activity happens should be followed by the particle ni. There are 3 points to be remembered here. First point, when this time uses a numeral like rokuji, sanji, yoji, when time is in terms of numbers, ni particle usage is mandatory. It should be used. When this time is indicated in terms of days of the week, like getsuyobi, kayobi, nichiyobi, in that case, usage of the particle ni is optional. You may use it, or it's okay even if you drop it and frame out the sentence. Third point, pretty important. When this time does not use a numeral, that is, words like kinno, ototoi, mainichi, mayasa, when numbers are not used, then ni particle should not be used. So let's understand this by looking at some examples. First example, Rokuji han okimasu. Rokuji han means 6:30. Okimasu means wake up. Should we indicate this time with the particle ni or not is the question. I repeat, please note the position of the particle. Ni should be written immediately after the time. This time is in terms of numbers. Hence, it should be followed by the particle ni. The sentence would read as Rokuji han ni okimasu. Rokuji han ni okimasu. I wake up at 6:30. 2番 2月11日. Should it be followed by the particle ni or not is the question. Nihon e kimashita. Nihon means Japan. Kimashita is the past tense of come, so the word is came. I came to Japan on 11th of February. Nigatsu means February and 11th day. That's what it means. So the question is, should this time be marked by the particle ni? What do you think? This uses a numeral. Hence, it should be followed by the particle ni. Third example, Nichiyobi Tokyo e ikimasu. Nichiyobi means Sunday. Tokyo is Tokyo. Ikimasu, go. I will be going to Tokyo on Sunday. Should ni be written here or not? It's days of the week. It's okay to write ni, or you can also frame the sentence without ni. I would write ni particle and read the sentence first. Nichiyobi ni Tokyo e ikimasu. Or Nichiyobi Tokyo e ikimasu is also okay. Fourth example, Kinno benkyou shimashita. Kinno benkyou shimashita. Kinno is yesterday, benkyou shimashita is the past tense of benkyou shimasu, so studied. Should we use the particle ni or not? Kinno does not use a numeral. It's not days of the week either. So the usage of particle ni should not be there here. The sentence would read as Kinno benkyou shimashita.